So this is a beautiful, much needed and healing experience that I'm experiencing for the first time, like that at least, where I got the carrots. And here we go. It's beautiful, 2 horses, 1 pony and 1 horse, Penny and Bam Bam. These guys were just, hey Bam Bam, Penny, hey guys. Okay. There is a little fence between us, but I have some carrots for you guys. I met them yesterday. Bam Bam. We'll see if they come. I don't know. Bam Bam. Bam Bam is more curious boy. But they're both super friendly. We just met. This is Penny. This is Bam Bam. Beautiful. I'm starting to love horses. Not that I didn't love horses, but I didn't have exposure to horses before. So Bam Bam. Bam Bam is more curious, so it's easier to get him to come and feed him. Bam Bam. Hey babies. Let's see. If they come, this will be awesome. Yesterday, I was in a really distressed emotional state, and that was a God gift, very healing. Bam Bam. I'll just wait. If they come, they come. Don't be scared. I come with peace. I come with peace, guys. You know that. You know me. I come with peace. I think they're scared of the phone. Hello. Hey, Penny. Well, I'll put the phone right here. Maybe it will stay. Who knows? If not, the wind will blow it. Let's put it like this. Maybe it will stay. Hey, baby. Hey, my baby girl. Hey, baby. Hello, my love. Hey, Penny. Hey, mama. I'm not to harm. I come with peace. Just with carrots, okay? Don't worry. I love you already, girl. No. It's a carrot. What? Oh, Penny, you're so beautiful. Don't be scared. Do you want me to throw it like this? There you go. There you go. No more. Penny, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Would you be interested? Okay. Oops, sorry, girl. There you go, baby. Sorry. Can I offer you a touch? There you go, beautiful girl. You're gorgeous, my girl. Thank you, my girl. Thank you. Thank you, my beautiful girl. You're so beautiful. Hello. Will that work? Can I touch you? You're gorgeous, girl. You're beautiful. Hello, my girl. Don't be scared. I come with peace. You feel me, right? I love you, girl. Do you want me to stay or to go? I'm trying to learn you. Penny? I come with peace. I come with peace. I'm ready, okay? Do you mind if I touch you? There is some music playing, isn't it? It's how humans. So, it's how humans heal themselves. Can I touch you? Will that be alright? Or no? Yes? No? That's okay. Let's get to know each other. I'm learning you, yes? I want to get to know you, girl. You're beautiful, Benny. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Thank you, Penny. Thank you, girl. We're getting to know each other. She's still scared. I'm still scared. But this is the first step of getting to know each other, isn't it? Everyone is scared. But allowing a little bit of trust and vulnerability. Look at her, Penny. She's so beautiful. Hey girl, don't be scared. I'm here. It's a phone. It's a cell phone. I'm recording. She's a little bit alerted with the fact that I hold the phone in my hand, but I think she starts to trust. I come with peace. And there is Bam Bam over there. didn't bring my microphone, but that was not the main purpose of me coming here. But I grabbed my phone because I was hoping to capture that moment with Penny, with me and Penny. Where's Bam Bam? Bam Bam is hiding in the bush over there. Fortunately, there is a little fence over there, but it's okay. We were allowed to converse with the horses by the owners, so it's totally cool, and we were given permission to feed them, which is super cool. And guys, I cannot explain the beauty of groundedness of the earth, and those horses are indeed a beautiful healing experience, just by being them, just by them being them, and you being willing to connect with them. I truly needed that, like in the groundedness and the connection with nature and the connection with another beings. I almost said human beings, but they're not human beings, but they are beings of all that is. And it is indeed healing. It is indeed healing to just honestly, to just disconnect from your day-to-day and connecting to something or someone else that is having a completely different existence, and just disconnecting from your existence for a moment. I don't know. I hope I make sense. But this is incredibly healing, guys. Like, if I totally understand that that not everybody has that possibility to go and hang out on an acreage, or having access to horses. Like, for me, it's the first time in terms of horses, but I'm blessed to have a friend who has like land access over here, and that I can just go with my son and ground and have that connection with like, look at that sky, look at that beautiful sky. To have that connection with everything, and go back to myself. But if you don't have that possibility, guys, just even a single walk, a walk in the nature will help you snap out of the turmoil that you find yourself in, even if it's just a 5-minute walk. Or look, I'm connecting, I'm grounding. I don't know if you can yes, you can see. Just grounding and walking in the nature, and sitting in the nature, and speaking to the heavens, speaking to the sky, and allowing come out of everything that has to come out. It has to come out. The words, I mean, the emotions, the tears, the screaming, the whatever you can allow yourself you need to allow yourself to let it all out in the circumstances, of course, of your surroundings, where you feel safe to do so. But you definitely need to do something to allow the release of tears, to allow the release of emotions, of course, depending on the surroundings that you're in, if it's safe for you to do so. And I'll show you Penny again. There is some garbage that flew from the winds and everything. It will be cleaned, my understanding is, but they're not eating that, so you don't worry about it. They're not eating it. Hey Penny, hey girl. She's getting more comfortable of being recorded, of being on camera. So they do love some attention. Their owner said that, they're friendly horses, and they could benefit a little bit from attention. If she approaches me, that would be beautiful. She does approach, but she's very cautious. She's more cautious than Bam Bam in terms of being touched and being, Bam Bam is more willingly allowing people to touch him, and Penny is a more cautious one. She's more introverted one, let's call it that. Yes, Bam Bam, I'm talking. No, Penny, sorry. Here's Bam Bam behind you, and there you go. And Penny, yes, I'm talking about you. You're beautiful. And Bam Bam is beautiful. I'm gonna bring them carrots a little bit later again, but I don't have more carrots for you right now. But if you're willing, and if you're open for me to pet you, to touch you, I'm open to that. No, you're like, oh no. Not interested, lady. Not interested in your love right now. Show me some love in the form of carrots. Hey, Bam Bam. Bam Bam is a pony. Sorry if the wind is a little bit noisy, but I was not even planning to record that much with the sound, to be honest. Just wanted to record a little bit of experience, but maybe have some music on, but then I decided to not do that and actually talk to you guys and have it very real, very realistic experience. Hence the wind. No microphones. You know, guys, when you most need it, something really magical happens to you. So I did ask for something. I was so distressed, so I did ask Creator for sending me a miracle, sending me something good happening to me, and it did. Last night it did happen, like that. I was able to feed Penny like super close, and to actually even touch her, and Bam Bam allowed to touch him. So, you know, guys, if you're in distress, turn to a friend to talk to. And if you don't have a friend, then turn to God and ask for something wonderful to happen to you, because there will be something small or big, but something amazing will happen to you that will help you in that very stressful situation. That confirmation. Speak to God, guys. Speak to God. Speak to Creator, creation, and ask for something wonderful to be sent your way. It can be small, so you need to have your eyes open to recognize it. It can be something in between, and it can be something big. I think like the fact that I was having that experience with horses yesterday, like unplanned, completely unplanned experience, it's a big one, at least for me. I truly needed it. I truly needed that. So I wanted to share a piece of that with you guys. Maybe at least visually you can get a little bit of energy from those beautiful horses, from that beautiful land. Well, the garbage aside, I'll cover it, like censor it. There you go. And the beautiful horses and the beautiful sky and the sun. We're getting a little bit more sun this morning, so that's good. It was cloudy morning, and the wind is cold. So I'm gonna share some fire with you guys. The fireplace. Yeah, there you go. Hey, Bam Bam. Hey, Bam Bam, wanna come for a minute? Or next time when I bring carrots? All right, I'll probably wrap it up, and I will go and share some bonfire with you guys.